have a shot I've been trying to get or thinking about anyways. I haven't tried to get it yet. There's just such a great road here. I've been analyzing, studying up when the best light comes, and it's about 6 o'clock. Oh, I'm out of breath from carrying that. I've been watching as the right time of day to hit it, and that's it right now. My wife's at Costco with the kids. I have a window. I'm gonna try to shoot it. Right into the sun. I'm sure everyone enjoyed that. Okay, so here's the start of the area I'm looking at. I want that lake, Little Pinatan Lake down there in the shot. I kind of drove out past here about an hour ago to see what the light was like. The sun's just going to be setting. I'm going to park. I should have had a tripod. Okay, so here's the deal. There's this nice windy road right ahead of me, and I want to be kind of carving down it. And in order to get that shot, I want it to be the drone kind of looking down isometrically, if you know what that means. The lake here will be in the background. You can see that. Yeah, so let's try it. I figure I have one attempt, and I think somebody's probably going to get mad at me, but I think it's going to be worth it. Absolute beautiful time of day. So we have power lines on this side. So this side's free, so I want the drone to be up there over that side of the field, which overlooks this. And I'm just gonna be one-wheeling down the middle of the road. I have some visual effects I want to add in. I don't know I'm gonna do that at this time, but yeah, this is kind of a shot I've been thinking about for a long time, so let's fucking do it. I think I did it. I think I did it. And now my drone's using the return to home function to fly back home because I ran out of batteries right at the end there. This is kind of exciting. I think I may have got the shot. Ow! It just feels really good. And then like future technology, right? Onewheels, drones, and cameras. Man, thanks for watching. I'll show you the video that I created right now. God, you guys, if I had known that was going to be so much work before I decided to do that, it just wouldn't have gotten done. So if you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up for me, please. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you liked what you saw, good going. Hit the thumbs up button or subscribe or do both, of course. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.